Hi, you're watching TV9 News. I'm Pratibha. It's a big day today. Big developments are expected in the farmers' agitation that has been going on for over 1 month now. Today, the centre has called the farmers for a meeting. 40 union leaders have been called in for a meeting that will be taking place at 2 p.m. in Vigyan Bhavan. A lot is expected. The farmers are quite adamant that they have 4 different suggestions that they have given to the government, and all of these need to be implemented. On the other hand, the centre has also said that the farmers are misled, that they are ill-informed about the laws, which is why if they sit down and know about the laws, they would know that this is going to benefit them. So the farmers have already put across 4 demands, and it is first one, the modalities to be adopted to repeal the 3 farm laws. That's one of the main things that the farmers are quite adamant on. Repeal all the 3 laws, no discussion further. This is what they've said. Procedure and provision for a legal guarantee for procurement on profitable MSP that has been suggested by the National Farmers Commission for all the farmers. So one of the biggest worry for the farmers is that these laws make them vulnerable to exploitation by the bigger corporate companies, and that's one of the fears that they have, the biggest fears, which is why the government has also said time and again it's not going to happen, it's going to be a free market, it's going to help you out. The farmers are still saying that they are going to be vulnerable. So talks expected on that as well. The third one being amendments to the Commission Ordinance for Air Quality Management in the National Capital Region. The fourth one being procedure for withdrawal of draft Electricity Amendment Bill 2020 to protect the interests of farmers. So these are the 4 demands that the farmers have already put across to the government. Talks are expected today. On one hand, the farmers are adamant that all the 4 demands need to be met, whereas the centre has also said that they are not going to give in to pressure. But this meeting comes 2 days after the farmers also reached out to the centre and said that they're ready for talks. They have been protesting since November 26th. So the farm protest has already entered the 2nd month. It's expected to go on further. If today at 2 p.m. as well there are no results or no consensus that comes out, then the agitation could become much more severe across the country as well. Remember, the centre also had talks with farmers from Tamil Nadu as well. Talks have been going on. The farmers have been appealing to the farmers to withdraw their protest as well, but there has been no progress. Over the last few days, we've also seen some vandalism. We've seen the towers being disrupted in Punjab as well, and this protest by the farmers has also had an impact not just for traffic in and across the national capital, but also the supply of goods has been affected from several places, including Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, as well as Jammu and Kashmir. So these are the areas that have been affected. It's going to have longer implications as well, which is why now the centre has also called on these 40 farmer unions to have a conversation today. This meeting is expected to go on for a few hours. A lot to be discussed because the farmers are quite sure of the demands that they have put forward and have said that there's no need for any negotiations at all. The centre just needs to agree to these demands that they have put forward. So these, of course, are the things that are expected today. We'll keep you posted on all the developments as well as they come in, and keep you posted on that. Please like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.